Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we ended up pushing down first thing this morning and then very sideways ever since. I still think there's a good chance we got at least one more leg up on the higher time frame, so I am looking at this move down as likely a correction. The fact that the move down is more of a trend makes me think that if it does go up, it's probably going to be a pullback to this move down. Like this would be an A. It would probably end up making a very overlapping pattern for like a wave B, and then maybe another leg down for a C. Maybe we're expecting the 61 or the 78% before it makes its next leg to the upside. But if it does give us a break of structure up, definitely be aware that because the daily time frame is in an uptrend, if we get this break of structure up, it could just keep on trending up. It could go up and make new highs on this time frame and maybe even beyond. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.